When you are setting up your wallboard portal for the first time, it is likely that you will need to create more users. These users will gain access to your portal and are assigned roles to limit what they can do. While we won't be covering it in this video, there is also a feature called Teams that you can use to limit what users have access to. This means you can control what screens, contents, files, etc. that they can see. To add a user, go to the panel on the left and select Settings, then select Users. Once in the Users menu, select the red plus icon. From this pop-up, you can begin inputting the user's details. Start by entering their name and their email. Setting a password is optional, but you can input one if you would like. This is because when a user's account is created, they are sent an automated email that allows them to change their password. Once complete, you can then set the user's preferred language. Next, and the most important part, you need to assign the user a role. Each role has their own set of permissions that ultimately controls what the user can do. For example, when you right-click on a content with the Content Manager role, you will see that you have the option to assign content to a device. If a user were to try this with the Content Editor role, they would not have this option because they do not have the ability to assign content. They can only create it. If you would like to learn more about our roles and what they allow users to do, go to our knowledge base article linked below. As you start looking at what each role is capable of, keep in mind that our permissions are tiered, meaning a content manager can do everything a content editor can do because it is a tier above it. In short, most of your users will likely be administrators, technical managers, and content managers. While administrators can do everything that is possible in Wallboard, they are mostly known for their ability to create users and set up teams for permissioning. A tier below are technical managers. These users can create content, assign it to devices, etc. But their main focus is device management with the ability to add new devices and edit the settings of existing ones. Lastly, a tier below the technical managers are content managers. Just like technical managers, they can create content and assign it, but they lack the ability to manage devices, control their settings, etc. Now that we know how user roles work, I would like to give this user the ability to manage devices, so I will assign them the technical manager role. Once this has been selected, you have the option of disabling SSO or logins using a password. Leave these enabled, and once complete, press Save, and your new user has been added. Once you've added the rest of your users, if you'd like to limit what devices, contents, files, etc. that a user can see, watch our video on how to set up teams. Thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next one.